Blizzard Beach. This is the button shape. Yeah.
It's what, peppermint?
Peppermint.
A brownie.
Vanilla soft serve with peppermint. Brownie.
Ooh, I helped you. How is it? You keep coming closer to me.
Definitely tastes the mint. It gives it like that mint chocolate chip, but it's not purely.
Yeah.
I mean, it's ice cream. Milkshake.
How was the brownie?
Brownie was really good. I'm gonna like push it around in there.
Oh gosh.
I'm gonna give this. I'm gonna give this 8.
Nice.
Not bad.
Fun day.
One day.